Hey there, Heather here. Just wanted to give you an update on our new location. You can see Evergreen Pkwy behind me, La Plaza sign there behind me, and Elk Meadow way back there. Here's our building on the corner. That's our little patio right there actually. And just walk you up here, and there's a little sculpture. We are in the Merit building. I'll turn this our parking area. And there's the Merit building, front door. Here is the sign, Suite 101. There's actually a cool little memorial to Kilgore Trout Restaurant just inside the door. This was the location of Kilgore Trouts back in the day. And Suite 101, this is our door right here. Come on in. Andrew's on a class and Monica's out helping clients. But I wanted to, looks like, to be here, and so you feel comfortable like you've been here before when you come by. And please let us know if you have friends or family with any real estate needs. We'd be honored to help them in this challenging market, to help them feel safe and confident when they're buying real estate with our guidance. Our contact information is right below. Look forward to a open house this spring, and we'd love to have you guys stop in and catch up a little bit. Have a great day, take care, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.